Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this gaming chair from Anda Seat. Now, I haven't done a gaming chair on this channel yet. I have usually only done desks like keyboards, mice, other peripherals, but gaming chairs I've usually tried to stay away from because I usually don't like them. I feel like a lot of gaming chairs, especially the cheaper ones, are not comfy. I've bought some that just are kind of flimsy. They don't feel great for long gaming sessions. I feel like they just don't look great. But today I'm going to see if I can change my mind here with the Anda Seat Novis Series. This is, I believe, a newer model from Anda Seat, a popular gaming chair company here. I was not able to find it on Amazon, but they do have other options you see that are more expensive. So if you are looking for something a little bit more budget, this might be it. But I am going to be rating this on 3 different criteria for me: how easy it is to build, how comfy it is long term, and how it looks, and if I would actually put this in my setup myself. But let's go over some of the options here on the website. They have 2 sizes, so large, extra large. I believe they sent us an extra large. Now I gotta say, this is not a sponsored or affiliated video. This is something that was an ad spot for the ToastyBros side of the office, but I was like, hey, this would be a good opportunity for me to unbox it and review it on the PCBros channel to give my thoughts how it is for long-term PC gaming. They don't have many color options. I do like that fabric, but we did get this leather. Usually the leather hasn't worked out for me in the past. Let's see if that changes with a higher quality gaming chair. They do not have the lumbar support or headrest. It does not come with it for this one. Yeah, that's a $60 upcharge here. Yeah, based on the pictures, I mean, this looks good, but I've been deceived by some chairs before, so I'm going in with a little bit of caution, but I am optimistic because I know Anda Seat's really good. Yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this and fast forward to when this chair arrives in our office, and I'll unbox it and walk through what it comes with. So the gaming chair has arrived. Let's see what it comes with and how easy this thing is to build. So it comes in 2 separate pieces with the swivel legs and the wheels separate. Pretty standard for all the gaming chairs, and it shipped in a pretty nice compact box, so it's not going to be too heavy, but I would probably still recommend lifting with 2 people. It looks like the hardware is pretty minimal, so this is not going to be an overwhelming build. There's only like 2 different types of screws, and it looks like everything can be done with the Allen key it comes with. So let's take a closer look at the directions here. These are actually some of the most clear and well-designed directions I've seen, especially building a ton of desks when a lot of those are black and white, like blueprint style. This is a lot more like how to take a picture each step style that I think is a lot more user-friendly, and there's not many steps at all, so this will actually be really easy. So for the building part of the score, I would probably give this chair a 10 out of 10 for being easy to put together and having great directions. I really had no issue when building. I mean, it's all Allen wrench screws, so it takes a little bit of turning and cranking. So this desk took me about 35 minutes to build or so, just because with the regular Allen wrench, you're going to be tightening a lot, but it was actually really easy to follow. So solid 10. Now, moving on to the next and probably the most important part, which is how comfy is this chair and can you use it for long gaming sessions? Personally, I think this chair in the extra large model is extremely comfy. It gives you a lot more room and the cushion is decent. You can tell this is a higher quality product with like higher quality leather and material compared to some of the other gaming chairs that I bought on Amazon that were within the $120 to $150 range. For that extra $100, I'm noticing quite a huge quality increase. Now, it doesn't come with the lumbar or head support, as that is an extra fee, but I've really only used this for longer editing sessions, not really gaming, but sat in it for a while and I quite enjoy it. But for the comfort score, I would give this a solid 7 or maybe light 8 out of 10, as I feel like there are still some chairs that were comfier, but this one really isn't bad at all. Now finally, I'm gonna rate this on its looks, and if I would personally use it for my setup, I think it looks way better than most of the gaming chairs that I saw. I like this leather and minimalist look. The logos aren't too intrusive. It's not all on the back. I'm not in love with the plastic armrest, but I do think the leather and the whole seat is very high quality. For that, I give this a solid 7. I'm definitely going to be replacing my office chair I'm using in my office right now with this Anda Seat chair and see over the long term if I continue to like it as much as I do now. But overall, like a score of 25 or 26 out of 30, I think this chair is very solid. And for the price, it's going to be hard to beat for that $250 range. There's a lot of gaming chairs in that $400 to $500 range. I've even seen some go up to $1,000. I haven't tried those out, but for what you're paying for, I think this is a very, very solid gaming chair. But let me know in the comments down below, do you rock a gaming chair like this one? Or do you have a different type of chair that you like to use for long gaming sessions? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.